Struggling to find the currency setting buried deep in Odoo's menu? Learn the exact 8-click path to switch your company's currency in under 3 minutes. We'll start at the homepage, dive into Settings, open Companies, and find the Currency field. Then I'll show you how to search and select your preferred currency. All right, let's get started by navigating to the Odoo homepage, where you can access all your company settings. From there, go ahead and click on Settings in the main menu to open up the configuration area. Once you're in Settings, you'll notice a top bar. Click on Users and Companies there to proceed. Then, in the sub-menu that appears, simply click on Companies to view the list of companies. Now, find and click on your own company from that list to open its detail page. When the company page loads, scroll down to locate the Currency section. That's where the magic happens. In the Currency field, click on Search More to see all available currency options beyond the default. Finally, choose and click the currency you prefer, and just like that, you've changed it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.